Hello everyone, this is Srija. Welcome to Math Molecules. With the current pandemic situation, as most of the schools are closed, teachers like me are taking classes online. Though we cannot replace the real classrooms with the virtual ones, we definitely can try our best to reduce the gap between the two. In my previous video, I have discussed how to create online tests or assignments using Google Forms. But how do we grade them and give feedback to our students like we do in our regular classrooms? Let's go ahead and explore that today, grading and giving feedback to the students on Google Form. I have opened a Google form already in which I have created an online assignment for my students. In case if you would like to know how to create online tests or assignments using Google Form, please go ahead and watch my video, the link for which is given in the description. In this assignment, I have given few multiple choice questions and few subjective questions. For the multiple choice questions, I have provided the answer key. Let's go ahead and see that. The answer key is already being given here. We can also allot the points. You may increase or decrease the points. When the students answer these questions, the Google form matches their answers with that of the answer key and allots them points accordingly. Moving on to subjective type questions where the students have to represent their answers in detail, we can choose the paragraph option where the students can type and there is enough space for them to represent their solutions. The other option you have is they can write the answers in a paper and take the picture of the same and upload it as file. In that case, take the option of add file. While multiple choice questions gets graded automatically, but subjective type questions you might have to see the answers and based upon the solutions you will have to assign the points. In that case what you can do is go to settings, go to quizzes and make this option later after manual review. You can view the answers of the students and assign the points and then release the results. Before we move on, let's see how this form appears for the students. Click on preview. This is how the form would look like for your students. They would fill in the necessary information and then attend the questions. These are multiple choice where they can give the answers here itself. While for subjective, in this case, it's a paragraph one. They have plenty of space to type in their solutions. In the last question, they will have to write the solution in another paper and take a picture of it and upload the same as a file. And finally, once they click on the submit button, we would get the response. So let's go ahead and see the response. This would be the summary of all the responses. Here we would get the individual result. It says 2 out of 7 points because it has graded the multiple choice questions. The first question is correct, so the student has been awarded 1 out of 1 marks. The second is also correct. Now let's go to the third one. The student has solved it correctly but still it shows wrong here. That is because we have not graded it yet. So once we see the solution and grade it, if I award the student full points, it automatically becomes correct. Let's just save it and see. As you can see, the grades have gone up. The marks have gone up. We can also add individual feedbacks to these questions. Here it appears. Now let's go to this question. We'll have to save the edits before we go. Let's go to the next question and see the solution. Now, if you feel the student has gone wrong somewhere and you would like to highlight that and comment on it, you can use this option, add comment. So here the child has gone wrong. What I would do is I would highlight this and comment it. I have to select this. And save my comments. Now the students would be able to see where he or she has gone wrong, also see your comments. Here you can add the individual feedback. You can also attach the answer key here, put a video as well, or enter your feedback. And save your edits. Now the student has got 4 out of 7 as the final points. Once we release the score, the student would get an email notification with its scores and where he has gone wrong and with your comments. So that's how you grade and do corrections on Google Form. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching Math Molecule. See you soon with the next video.